missing family, all while missing friends. But the other side of it was it really brought us together. It bonded us really well, and being there together was a great thing. You asked a question about what did I learn. I learned a lot about myself in that period of time, because I found that I wanted to have success as a coach, and I could see that we weren't going to be ready for it. So it put a bit of stress on. And, fortunately I had great people around me that worked with me, and, we sort of I made some mistakes around some of my delivery and things like that. But certainly over time understood better about the players and education. We had probably, we had all brand new computers in the players' room, and for 6 weeks no one went in there. And so for me, I was like, why aren't the players going in there? And then I realised that they never had that before. So it was a matter of, all right, let's get the analysts in, let's have player meetings. This is what you look for, this is how it works, and educate the player. So I went from taking for granted a few things that would normally happen.
In your normal coaching environment.
Yeah, that's right. To saying, well, I'm taking stuff for granted, and I need to go back and start educating. So that was a big learning curve for me, and the players responded really, really well.